How long does it take for an AT&T SIM card to activate online?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on activating an AT&T SIM card online. We'll walk you through the process and answer the burning question: how long does this activation process usually take?
What is the activation process?
Activating your AT&T SIM card online is a straightforward process that involves entering the SIM card number and other related information on the AT&T activation website. This process allows your device to connect to the AT&T network.
How long does it take to activate an AT&T SIM card online?
The online activation process generally takes a few minutes to complete. Once you've filled in the necessary information and submitted it, you'll typically see a confirmation message indicating that the activation process has begun. However, while the online process is quick, the full activation of the SIM card may take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours. This is because the activation process involves the network registering your SIM card, and this can take some time. Remember, if your SIM card hasn't activated within 24 hours, you should reach out to AT&T customer service for assistance.
Can I use my phone during the activation process?
Yes, you can use your phone during the activation process. However, features like calling, texting, and data usage that rely on the network connection won't be available until the activation is complete. And there you have it. The online activation process for your AT&T SIM card should only take a few minutes of your time. Remember, the full activation process can take up to 24 hours, so don't be alarmed if your services aren't immediately available. If you're still experiencing issues after 24 hours, be sure to reach out to AT&T's customer service for help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.